Hi there, this is the Awaretech smart clock. Today we'll go over an unboxing, show you what the device looks like, give you a setup guide and show you some sample footage. Let's get right into it. Start by opening up the box, see what's inside. Opens up quite nicely. We've got the clock itself just there. I've also got a few different bits and pieces in here. So there's a charging cable included as well, little AC adapter to connect to power, and then in the very bottom of the box we've got the smart clock manual and the app installation guide. So we'll get this set up so we can show you what it looks like. Alrighty, so taking a closer look at the device itself, it is a perfect little cube here. On the front face you'll have the displayed time as well as the camera tucked in, hidden away there that you can't quite see. Otherwise all plain around the other sides. On the back, however, is where you've got access to all of your bits and pieces. So there's a reset button, a mode button to filter through the options on the actual clock, up and down buttons for navigating that menu, and then the on and off button here. There's a spot for the battery if you're planning on using it off charge, SD card slot there if you want to be using it for motion detection, and then the connection point where you can charge it up. There's also the QR code if you want to connect to the product that way. Alright, we'll get this one plugged in and show you how to set it up. Alrighty, to get started with the setup of this device, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure it's connected to power, have it fully charged up or just leave it directly connected. Then press the power button for a second and it will turn on. You'll see indicators flash on the front of the screen initially, but after that, about 40 to 60 seconds later, you can go to the settings on your phone, navigate to the Wi-Fi, and you'll see a B-link with a series of numbers appear. You just want to put in the default password for this, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and join. It may take up to a minute the first time to connect, but once you see the tick, you'll be good to go. If you see it say something like no internet connection, don't worry about that because we're directly connecting to the device. Then you want to go to the IoT Living app that you've downloaded, press the plus button in the top right corner, select manual add, search camera from LAN, and choose the camera there. For this video, we'll call it test, save. Perfect. And just like that, we're now directly connected to the device. I won't set a password on it for now, but you can now see, there's my hand right there. What you want to do next is, now that you're directly connected, press the setting cog in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and you'll want to go to the network information and connect it to your Wi-Fi. In there, you'll be able to make it connect to your Wi-Fi directly, which means remote viewing is enabled and you can view the device from anywhere else. Other settings you might want to set up, in the parameters setting, there's the recording setting. If you've got an SD card and want it to detect motion and record to the SD card, that's where you go. And then configuring the motion detection settings is directly below that. Otherwise, there's a ton of different settings in there. If you've got any questions, get in touch.